I'm so happy,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how are you, ma'am?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. Tell me about yourself. How are you?
I'm fit and fine. So, ma'am, as you told me, you are a teacher. So, how is important homework in student life?
Ma'am, actually, homework is very important for student. Just because if we are providing homework to students, so in this way they can study, they can at least touch copies or and books at their home. And if we teachers are not means we are not giving them homework, so definitely they will not study a single word, and they will not write single sentence or word by them means by themselves, just because they are also kids. So sometime it's happen, means during my teaching profession I have realized these things. Like many of the parents just call me and sometime told me like, ma'am, please, whenever you are giving homework, please ma'am, try to give writing homework more and more, just because whenever you are giving homework of learning something, like sometime we are giving homework, read or learn this chapter. So definitely students are not reading, and whether they are reading at their home or not, we teachers are not going their home to see whether they are doing reading practice or not. But yes, if we are giving something for writing, so definitely there's a feeling inside them that yes, next day ma'am will check, so I have to write this.
But, madam, sometimes too much homework is not good for a student because sometimes
No,
student
no.
complain about getting a lot of homework and they don't
Yes.
want to do it. And too much homework is not is can often burden student and make them lose confidence and in their new learning things. Even if they want to they complete their homework only doing purpose instead of learning something from it. And this type of homework is not good for them. And students should have time to play outside and engage with fun activity and apart from study. And
Yes, ma'am.
it is, yes, it is very good. It is very important to student give homework right amount of quantity, and it does not burden them.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Actually, as I said that I mostly give this type homework. If I'm giving homework, just supposed to write, to learn and write word meaning. So if there's a 10 word meaning or 15 word meaning or more than 5, but I'm not giving them to learn all the meaning. I'm giving only just to write two or like four words meaning of this chapter, write and learn. So like this there is, because yes ma'am, you are right, we can't give provide lots of homework so that they can feel it as a burden and as on their head. So definitely in this way they will also get themselves pressurized. And whenever I'm giving any this type of homework, so I'm always thinking one thing in my mind, like students will have to do other subject homework also, not of my subject homework. So by thinking this, I always give homework. So whenever I'm giving a question answer, so I give like this. So like learn and write two questions answers of this chapter,
Yes.
only two. If there are sixth, seventh or eighth question answer, so I'm giving two or three, like this. I am not giving to learn all the question answer, because in this way definitely they will feel themselves frustrated, and they will not study properly in this way. You are right, because nowadays, as we are also seeing that nowadays kids are having lots of burden of study. There are lots of subjects, and even lots of copy they are supposed to make, like for homework, for CW, for taste, sometimes dictation test, so
Yes,
like this. And
sometimes they feel very sad and dull, getting
yes,
a lot of homework.
and they have to carry such a heavy bag also with them.
Yes. So, ma'am, what is your opinion about the education of girl child?
Education of
Girl child.
girl. Yes, ma'am, definitely. My opinion is quite clear, and I hope that your opinion must be the same. Like, in as we are treating our son, uh, means in education, so in the same way we should try to treat girl also. Means if we are thinking about our son to send them in good and like well reputed school, just because it will be beneficial for their future. In this way their future will be secure, so in the same way we should try to think about girl also. And means in, I can say nowadays, means most of the people are doing the same thing. Means they are not discriminating girl or boy on the basis of gender, because they all are in mostly all the classes, there's a number of girls and boys are always equal. And ma'am, means in our generation, I still remembered, means in our generation, there's a this type discrimination I faced. Like means my grand mother always she was saying this thing, that what will she do to study this and that, like to take higher degree and all, just because after getting married she will have to take care of family, she will have to cook food for families. Like this she will have to like take all the responsibilities of family. So what will she do to study a lot? When I asked permission to my father to go to coaching for inter, because I have done my schooling and college since means since my childhood, I have done from Hindi medium. So in our school, our English was also very poor as a subject. So for us English was such a quite rocket science type subject we were considering about English. So for English only, I means that time all the subjects were not so much hard for me, but English was hard. So I was asking permission to my father, like, Papa, I want to join coaching. That sir is like teaching English in good way, so I want to means go there for taking coaching. So like my dadi was saying this, like. Uh, she is a girl. Why are you sending? Means my brother was taking coaching classes for science and math, for English, and my grandmother means she didn't want me to join the coaching class. But yes, my father just sent me for 2 months only. I took that coaching class, and in that coaching class, I learned a lot about grammar. I can say so like this. But nowadays, ma'am, I'm feeling very happy also, because nowadays I'm considering if any parents are having both girls or daughter, so they are sending to both of them in same school. Not, they are not discriminating, like, yes, if she is girl, so she is supposed to go to this school, and if he is boy, so he is supposed to go to big and like good school. Nothing like that. Means they are sending. So yes, this is good thing also. So always we should try to do these things.
I would like to explain this topic if you allow.
Yes, ma'am, of course, because education is equal. Means it's our right to have education. So everyone should be provided with education in equality, I can say.
Yes,
Now, yes,
ma'am, yes.
ma'am, you put up your point of. I'm very eager to know about your point of view.
Thank you, thank you. Actually, education of girl child is very important for some reason. First, empowerment, equality, and educated women can earn higher income and become participate in labor market and contribute to economic. And second one is health. Educated women are more intelligent and informed about health center and nutrition, and they have few child and their children usually healthier. And third one is social change. Educated women can bring out socio-economic change and more stable society. And fourth one is breaking the cycle of the poverty. Culture
Yes.
education is the powerful tool to escape poverty and be emancipated. And last one is empowering women. Educated women can become hope and hope and become hope and becomes hope and contribute to meaningful society. That's all.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Means
Yes, ma'am.
means any educated person can do only all these things as you suggested. Education is mandatory for everyone, so we should if we are parents, so being parents, it's our responsibility to give the equal, like
Yes,
equal,
ma'am.
what to say,
Right.
equality in
Yes.
education system for everyone, like girls and for boys also.
So, ma'am, nowadays, what are you doing for your practice?
Oh, ma'am, don't ask about this because nowadays, today I'm talking to you after I think 3 days, because for the last 3 days I haven't taken any session due to health issue. And
Okay.
the means I was not feeling lots of health issue. There's a not big health issue, but I was feeling this cold and cough, and it was quite irritating for me to have initiation, and all the time I'm feeling like I'm not able to even breathing properly. Sometimes it seems like my nose, eyes, head, everything is jammed. So I'm
So,
not
ma'am,
breathing properly. So today I'm talking to you after 2 3 days.
okay. So,
So I'm
ma'am, would
feeling
you
now a
like
little
to
bit
give?
good, and as you put up addendum topic, so also whatever in my mind, just I related that topic to myself and to my childhood, and also I just delivered my opinion thought. Okay,
Okay.
and ma'am, I'm feeling so much happy for you, literally, because nowadays I can see
Thank
the real
you.
Pooja ma'am, the
Thank you.
real Pooja ma'am. It's
Okay.
your reality. It's your reality that you are this much confident. And that day you
Thank you,
remembered.
ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Actually,
So,
ma'am, would you like to give some tips for beginner? They enhance their knowledge.
yes, of course, Pooja ma'am. Now I can say, like, you are also the one who can motivate lots of learners and beginners who want to speak English. So, in the same way as you can speak, I can speak, everyone can speak. Only we will have to keep this feeling inside us. Like, English is not such a dangerous thing, it is quite interesting and good thing. So, we have to only keep the burning desire in ourselves. And yes, first of all, we should try to clear our concept and clear our mindset, like, yes, why we are learning, why this is important for us to learn English communication. So if we think only about this, Pooja ma'am, like why it is important to learn English, so I'm 100% damn sure that there must be lots of countless reason, because in nowadays scenario English is very important. So every people, if they want to speak English and learn English, and if they think about this, so definitely they will get their answer. And after getting answer, just work upon it consistently and with persistency, so definitely everyone can achieve their goal as we are achieving.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Nowadays, I improve myself day by day to
Yes,
practice myself
yes,
with my
ma'am.
daughter, with my son.
And I've also watched your video in which you were talking to your son, and your son is also quite amazing, I must say. He is also speaking good English and he is so much confident. The first day
मैम
when you were,
ये आपको सुनने के लिए अभी भी बैठा हुआ है ये रहा
oh my God. Hello,
हेलो
Lach.
करो
How are
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you?
I am great, and what about you?
I am also doing great. And do you know one thing? Nowadays,
What?
nowadays I have become your biggest fan after watching
Thank
your
you.
conversational video.
Thank
So,
you. Thank you,
Laksh, you
ma'am.
are proud of you, beta. So proud of you. You are so much confident in English. And
Ma'am,
you,
he is your big fan.
oh my God. No, no. Now I am also your big fan. Now Sapna ma'am is your big fan. Sapna ma'am is the biggest fan of Laksh Prabhakar. Laksh is very happy now. And I'm also feeling so much happy by
Thank
seeing happiness and your by seeing your cute smile. I must say, like being a mother, you are doing great thing as you are thinking about your son, because you know, ma'am, I'm also doing the same thing as you are doing. Nowadays, I'm also focusing on
yes,
my
ma'am.
son, and I just also
Yes.
made him talk with Tanishka. So in this way, he is also feeling little bit confidence inside him.
Watch this video. Watch this video.
Okay, 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 ma'am. So I think now we should wind up the session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm very happy to conversation with you, and in the future, I connect with you as soon as
yes,
possible.
yes. Definitely, ma'am. We will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
connect soon, and with wonderful topic.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye
Thank
bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye
Take
bye.
care.
Take care, ma'am.